What's up there, YouTube? This is Crazy Working Man. Today, you can see here what was back right here was all this and a little bit of that over there. And by the time tomorrow, when you're seeing this recording, as of later tomorrow, so um, this floor would be cleaned up all the time. So, well, not all the time, just for like 5 minutes, just to get rid of the dirt clogs that's on my floor, all the small rocks, all the nastiness like this. But all this just gives me enough time to clean all this off. And I straightened out my shoes, except for those. I show you. Yep. All these are straight up. Sorry, Shannon, all your guys' stuff for like Christmas, I'll be giving it to you later tomorrow, not tomorrow, Saturday. So, yeah, all your stuff will be in there. So, except for there's going to be a few participants that I'm going to shop for later. So, like, I can't say their names because basically it's kind of redundant. So, yeah, except for I got a lot of dirt clogs on my floor and a lot of stuff I need to do. So, yeah. And also a few packages I need to wrap. I need to buy wrapping paper. So, yeah. Anyways, that'd be taking all my lunch hour. So, yeah. And as soon as I get done with my chores and also the rest of the house chores, that'd be awesome. So, anyways, I love you guys. Yeah, all my floor is still dirty. I will clear all this out of here. So, dirt clogs and all. So, yeah. You can see where my shoes have been. So, my old beat up work shoes in the mud and dog poop, which is they dried up. So, kind of sucks, but yeah. And also, later on tomorrow, sorry, I'm doing a little over exaggeration of my head movement because right now my head has got bad pain in it, so I got bad pain in the neck and also bad headache. And I'm sorry for my crazy magic Hawkman fans. I lost most of my voice this morning, or not this morning, this afternoon. I did get most of it back, but I'm not willing to risk on talking to whoever. So, yeah. Anyways, yeah, I love you guys. I do love you guys all around the world. So, but I'm not gonna do the real Breaking Nate thing. So, yeah, not the peace, love, and high five thing. No, that's his own thing. So that's peace, love, all this for love and work for. Then I'm starting that again someday. If you get this video, Eric Christopher May, oh, someone's Captain Eric 998. I'm not ready to talk yet, so I will talk to you day after tomorrow. Anyways, Merry Christmas. If I don't hear from YouTube or anything like that, please drop me a Merry Christmas in the comment section like in the next couple weeks from now. Okay, there's Rock. I'm out of here.